Howdy, happy Sunday, y'all. I just got out of a Epsom salt bath, which is one of my favorite healing rituals, always, but especially now during quarantine. It involves taking a bath with a couple scoops or cups of Epsom salts, and then you can put all kinds of sweet scents in there. I did lemongrass today, and it's very detoxifying. For folks who are a little more woo, it's taking an Epsom salt bath can cleanse your aura of all the energy that's not yours, that's no longer needed. It's pretty sweet. But I wanted to, speaking of ritual, I wanted to just take a couple minutes to hype a workshop that I'm leading tomorrow night called Design Your Own Healing. And, I've been working as a coach and a healer for 5 years now, and often working with folks with health challenges. This workshop is for everybody. Health challenges, no health challenges. I'm doing this workshop for anyone who feels like they could use a little bit more healing during this time of pandemic and quarantine. And I'm going to be sharing some of the tips and tricks that I've learned in my nearly 20-year healing journey. Because healing is healing is healing. It's kind of all the same, whether you're healing from the trauma of pandemic or healing from grief or healing from addiction or healing from a chronic illness. There's so much that transfers. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I felt compelled to lead this workshop at this time because we don't know how long this is going to last. We don't know what this time is going to require from us. But I think that we all understand that at the other side of this, whether that's a few weeks from now or a few years from now, things are going to be really different. And the more that we can build up our own resiliency and our capacity to support ourselves and others during rapid change and rapid transformation, not only is it going to be easier, and ease is always nice, but we will have so much more capacity to be part of changes that are going on and to be part of pushing positive changes forward. I work at the intersection of healing and social change, and so this is always something that I'm thinking about. How can we thanks, Emily Utter. I thought you'd appreciate that. But I'm always thinking about how we can support social change makers in being their most vital, authentic, and bright, wonderful selves. And so that's a little bit what we're going to do tomorrow. I'm going to provide my 3-part framework for healing during this time. We're going to do some grounding exercises together. I'm going to guide you through an exercise to come up with your very own unique healing ritual. And the best part is that we're going to do all of it in community with other amazing people. I'm really into cultivating juicy spaces online. It's something I've been doing for a really long time, even, way before we all got stuck inside. I was stuck inside for years as somebody with chronic illness, so I have a lot of experience doing this, and I promise you it's going to be cool. And I think it's also going to be fun, and I think we're also going to laugh, because healing doesn't have to be serious. Healing can be fun, and it can also be something that we just make up. That's one of the best parts about healing, is you don't have to know what you're doing to create something that is really, really supportive for you and maybe even for people around you. So I hope that that's a little bit of a teaser. If you're not already signed up for the workshop, the link is in the description for this live video, and it starts at 6:30 Eastern tomorrow, Monday. It's going to be a good hour and a half, and it's important to bring something to write with or write on that's not your computer or a device. So I really recommend pen and paper if that's accessible to you. If that's not accessible to you, do what you need to do. We're flexible, and it's also really important to bring a blanket. So blanket, something to write with, sign up. It's going to be awesome, and it's not going to be probably like any other workshop you've ever attended, so just be ready for that. All right, have a wonderful Sunday. Can't wait to hang out with you tomorrow. Bye.